Hey guys, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite things about my Bronco. Come on. This grille used to be gray and I wanted it all to be red, chrome, so we added this piece and we added these. And then if you go this way, I created these custom panels for the doors so I could have pockets. And then the original steering wheel, which I wanted to keep because I wanted to keep as much original as possible. Same with the radio. I updated the insides of the radio, but it's still the same exterior. And then if you go back here, custom license plate. My mom was mad at me about it, but I like it. That's my Bronco.